enigmatic episodes compile 5 creepy and mind-boggling videos about trains and subways. Enjoy. This next video came from TikTok user UnknownRailFan1373. The OP of the clip was driving in a remote area in Minnesota when he came across a railroad crossing. Here's what he captured.
Oh boy. What, Well, that ain't good. Don't know who's running that, but I mean, yeah, okay.
At first, the clip seemed to be normal, except for the self-driving train, which is not exceptionally odd, as this can be easily explained by many experts in the field. However, if you missed it, there was something eerily creepy by the end of the clip. Take a closer look. So, what do you make of this? Could it be a mere case of pareidolia, where our minds weaving shapes from randomness? Or is this something ominous? I'll leave that for you to decide. This footage was taken by a security camera in China. Watch as a transparent train stops and pick up passengers in this train station. This clip found its way onto YouTube through the paranormal channel, The Hidden Underbelly. The description on the video reads, "When the station security were watching the surveillance cameras, they noticed this ghost train pull into the station and stop as if it was picking up passengers before leaving. In the wake of its upload, this video swiftly went viral, leaving the online community perplexed and intrigued by the mysterious scenario unfolding before them. Numerous theories have sprouted in attempts to explain the footage, ranging from the notion of an authentic ghost train captured on film to the clandestine workings of a government experiment. But honestly speaking, I think this is just a simple case of 2 images overlapping. Well, that's just me. How about you? What do you think? The following video came from TikTok user Fernando Victoroli. Fernando works at a train station, and for some reason he always works the late-night shifts. On February 11th, 2020, during one of his inspections, he unknowingly captures something bizarre. Take a look. Did you see it? Let's rewind and zoom in a bit. Let's see that one more time. Freaky. So, what do you think Fernando captured here? It's worth noting that Fernando has over 50 videos on his TikTok account, and almost half of them feature him filming his late-night job at the train station. However, this is the only video where he inadvertently captured something eerie. Some people think that this was a real ghost or a demon captured on camera. Others have more mundane explanations, such as a real person hiding inside a train, a criminal, or perhaps a homeless person. But what do you guys think? We love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. The next video you're about to see came from Japan and was uploaded by Real Ghost Vision 13 years ago. I know it's a little bit old, and I bet you guys have already watched this, but this is by far my favorite and the scariest video I can think of when it comes to trains or train stations scary videos. So I wanted to add the whole video here so we can watch it together. Enjoy.
あれは僕が大学時代にサークルに入ってたんですけど、その打ち上げで飲み会をしたんですけど、その時にビデオ回してて その時一緒にいた磯山ってやつが急に自殺しちゃって、このビデオを持ってるとなんかみんなで話し合ってやばいんじゃないかって思ってで投稿したんですよ。磯山この髪がいけるかな。まあね、磯山そうじゃないとね。磯山もうずっとそれだもんね。ずっとこの髪型。090。何？赤外線いける？赤外線とかない。いや言うからだよ本当に。本当に。超邪魔だ。綺麗じゃん。綺麗だ。ちょっと見た。綺麗じゃん。綺麗だ。何が？これかけてこれ。一人誰かと喋ってない？一人ってことはまだあれいた。綺麗じゃん。綺麗。その女の人はなんか居酒屋にいた時に映してたんですよ。なんか最初にその友達とかと話してた時にちょっと変な人がいるなっていうのを一人で結構ブツブツ喋ってたりしてたから。全然知らない人？全然知らないですね。全く知らない人？全く知らない人でしたね。心当たりがない？全然ないです。じゃあ各自解散で一応。じゃあカニスターじゃん。どうでしょう。どこ行くよ。ジョージ寒いの？またお前らと言ってもさ、寒いもん。あらんちか。うちかよ。もういいよ。飲み会が終わって、各自一応もう解散みたいな感じで友達の家に行って飲み直そうってことになって駅の方に向かって、その時にビデオ回してて、そしたら映っちゃって。アラインチって麻雀して終わりみたいな。ちょっと寄ってみ。かわいい。カメラで寄っちゃいけん。じゃあ寄っちゃう。いいんじゃん、綺麗なんじゃん。まだ手振ってんだから相当呼んでるよ。でもちょっとあれおかしいな。おい、やばい。知り合いじゃないから偶然なんか手振ってたのかなって、他の人に手振ってたのかなって思ったんですけど、あれは確実に俺らの方に振ってたんじゃないかなって。大丈夫かお前。
The next clip was taken by a CCTV at a Turkish train station. Let's take a look. The video shows a passenger seemingly passing out and falling onto the train tracks. At first glance, this seems to be an accident, but if you look a little bit closer, you might notice something strange. Did you see that? A smoke-like object seemed to have appeared from nowhere and then just disappeared. From my perspective, it looks to me like a ghostly disembodied arm pushed the passenger onto the train tracks. Let's take a look again. So, what do you think really happened there? In case you were wondering what happened to the passenger, she's safe. Just a few seconds later, an off-duty police officer carried her to safety, while the other passengers flagged the incoming train to stop. Hope you liked this video compilation. We would be grateful if you could help us out by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Your support will help us produce more contents like this and would mean the world to our small channel. So, that's it for this week. We'll have more videos and stories next week. Have a great week, everyone.